All right, what is up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are y'all doing today? Family, what's up? TTA family. We just wanted to come on this morning, you guys, and really show y'all what we had going on during New York session on this morning. We had an amazing session with our students, a lot of winning trades. So we kind of wanted to go over that with y'all. If y'all had any questions about those of y'all that were in our live training, we can answer those questions for you. So you can go ahead, Ryan, and share your screen if you want.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay, cool. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys. Okay. We're going to kind of do an overall analysis. Good morning. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So, this is something we're going to do regularly that I'm going to be hosting. Right, is basically a New York session overview every single day. All right, this is something that I'm committed to helping you guys get better in the markets. Right, whether you're in TTA Elite or not, I still want to give you some value, and hopefully it helps. Kind of going over what happened today, so you understand what happened, breaking down everything bit by bit for you. Good morning. Good morning. I know everyone's kind of rushing in here. I just posted the links. Okay. I'm gonna give it like 2 more minutes, let everyone get in here. Okay. What's up? What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. How is everybody? Okay. Good morning. All right, guys. So let's start. All right. So today, right, New York session. There was a lot of interesting moves today, right? The dollar really consolidated a lot today. It's obviously still in this wedge pattern that we had drawn for our students, right? And we kind of showed them in detail, step by step, exactly what was going on. So the way I have this is that the dollar is in this wedge for the end of the year, and it's at a very interesting level here because I think it's going to break obviously the first week of January with FOMC. Whether it goes down or up, we don't know. We don't know if the market's going to recover. It's going to start get a lot of bullish momentum. We don't know if it's going to start breaking into lower lows, which could be dangerous territory for the dollar, because then it could really start to drop significantly if it breaks this wedge and starts to tank, right? It could do that, but we're going to wait. But it is the end of the year, so what the market tends to do is kind of constrict you, consolidate, and try to jam up a lot of traders. Now, when you're part of TTA, though, it doesn't matter because we can still make money every day. It doesn't matter. Okay, so we teach you how to avoid the pitfalls that most people are going to have when they're trading, right? And so one of the benefits was we traded NAS today for the buy. NAS is still going up like crazy, right? So we caught that move. Really good buy, right, guys? If you're in the chat, put some fire emojis in the chat. Okay, it was all blue day today. We had about, we were like 5 for 5 on our signal calls today, right? So we bought NAS today. We also bought AU for the buy. That was pretty clean, right? We sold UJ. That was also clean. We bought gold as well. That was another good buy, right? So we got in potentially 5 different trades between Max and myself, right? All of them hit. Everyone was in blue. We got out at really good exits, really good entries, right? So the benefit of live trading, guys, is that you kind of get the feel of like actually being in the trade in real time, because anyone can sell you a strategy. Anyone can say, oh yeah, this is a double bottom here. Oh yeah, this liquidity there. Okay, that's all cute and stuff, but what about how to manage the trade? in real time? What about when things aren't looking right? When do you get out? Do you stay in? Do you add an entry? Do you take a position off? Do you trail it here? These are all questions you're going to have to understand and figure out as you are becoming proficient in trading. And I would actually argue that is the hardest part, and I would say the most tedious part of trading is actually after you're in the trade. That's when the real work begins. It's not actually seeing the setup. It's then after you hit the button, then you're in the trade. What do you do? Right? Some of you start sweating bullets when you're in drawdown. Some of you guys start exiting early because, you don't like what's going on. You can't hold it for more than 5-10 minutes, right? Some of you guys start over leveraging way too hard. You don't have a structured trade plan. So we try to tailor and help you with every bit of your trade plan and your goals when it comes to trading, guys, right? Because everyone here has something that they have to improve on. I mean, obviously that's why you're here. So it was a really, really profitable session. Super dope, super profitable. And we wanted to kind of just answer questions for the students and anyone who was looking at New York today to see if there's anything that you struggled with today as far as trading, or if there's anything you want me to look at as far as trading so I can help you out, right? And what I'll do is I'm almost every day I'll kind of have like a New York session overview breakdown. So we'll look at all the setups that happened today, why it happened, and so you can get a better understanding on how to take advantage of these daily moves, especially as the new year is approaching, because I can guarantee you January, February, March are going to be very volatile months for the market. So if you understand and you're putting yourself in position to really master trading and to really get proficient, you're really going to be able now to, I believe, really make a lot of profit off these next couple months, because these are some of the most volatile months in the market. Is usually in the fall and also in the spring when after the New Year's, because now everything is fresh, right? So a lot of new volatility just comes into the market. Let me see what you guys are saying, because now everything is fresh. Right, so let me see. Clean moves. Good morning, Sony. Good morning, everybody. Let me see. Love your trade. Yeah, the trade management was really good, Troy, for sure. That was the biggest key, is seeing the trade management in real time. Okay, so we do have a lot of announcements, guys, as well. So I'm glad that a lot of you guys are on here. It's great to see you guys. Okay, we have a lot of announcements for 2023. Okay, going into 2023 with TTA, there's a lot of new things coming. But with the first thing that I will let you guys know, just openly, so everyone knows, is that Max and myself will not be doing and teaching, trading obviously forever. All good things must come to an end, guys. And, we're just in a space where we no longer have to teach, and nor really want to, even though we love all you guys and want to help you guys. It does hinder our trading. So what we have decided to do is commit, all right, to the first 6 months of 2023 to rock with you guys, right? To work with you guys on a one-on-one basis, to do live sessions, signals, trainings, you name it, it's there. Everything that you need to become successful, we're going to have it for you in January in TTA. Okay. And we are going to make it extremely affordable for everyone who really, 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 really needs it. We've kind of been listening to what you guys wanted, listening to the feedback, and we are improving everything, all of our, I would say, services for you guys. Everything's getting a makeover, if you can, I guess you can call it. I can't even explain it because there's so much different things that are happening. If I try to explain it all, I'm gonna get tongue twisted, all right? Because it's literally so many different things that we're doing. But at the end of the day, we really want to help you guys. So we're committing the next 6 months to everyone here. right? So that means June 30th of 2023. Ryan will not be teaching anymore. I will not be doing live sessions. I will not be doing anything, and I'll be completely done. All right. Obviously, not trading. I'll still be around. But as far as mentoring, that chapter of my life will be done. I will no longer be mentoring. At that point in time, we're just going to be doing events maybe twice or three times a year. So you can catch me doing live events in your city. We'll do like a 3 or 4 day live training. And that's pretty much all I'll be doing here and there, very sporadically for people who really want that. But the mentorship, guys, is very taxing. As you guys know, we've been doing it for a long time, and we can't do it forever. We can't do it forever. But what we can do is give you the best 6 months that you've ever had as far as mentorship, and make sure that you guys really have all the tools necessary to actually achieve the goals that you want. And that's what we're doing. We're putting it all on the line, and we're like, all right, we're going to give you the best 6 months that we have, guys. Right. And hopefully you guys are prepared and happy and looking forward to it, because I guarantee you it's going to be amazing. Right. You want to say something?
Yeah, sure. I want
Good.
to share my screen with
Sure. Yeah.
All right, guys. I kind of want to share my screen and just talk about what some of what we were dealing with on this morning. Let me just a second, guys. All right. So let's talk about it this morning, guys. So we had an amazing New Year session on this morning. And what we were really looking at for today, guys, we took some trades on gold. Okay, so we were looking at the dollar to continue going down. The dollar is in like a crazy wedge pattern, similar to what Ryan was talking about. And we got our breakout right from here, right? The market retested. We kind of did take the trade though, like right about here when it started to break these wicks to the left. And as you guys can see, the market is still going up. I did end up closing out this trade because, guys, when I'm trading gold, I usually go in for about 50 pips, and it definitely hit my target, right? So there was no reason for me to continue to hold this trade unless there's like a whole bunch of volume in the market. So my target, my first TP usually for gold is 50 pips, and we definitely hit TP on that. The next thing we were kind of looking at was the dollar yen, and this one still kind of struggling, but we were in a somewhat of a wedge pattern, and there was a retest out of there. And we kind of missed this first entry right at 8:30 because we hopped on the charts at 9, but there was a nice retest here, and then we got in here, and we're still, stop loss and profit. So your stop loss may have been hit on this trade. For those of y'all that were in, but you want to go ahead and you can get back in on the retest as long as you have that slight break of structure there, right? So watch the market on this one. I'll even move that up like so. Okay. USD CAD. Okay. We went about nearly to TP, depending on how far you were going on this trade. All right. Before the market turned around, we were right at about 20, 25 pips on this one. So, definitely have your trade management there. If price happens to reverse and you didn't monitor your trade as far as taking partials, then you would have got stopped out in profit. So we're very, very, very big on trade management here in TTA. Very, very big on that. Now, USD Swiss, this one had been running really since London session. So we were in profit about to this target, and I told you guys I got this level here from previous structure. So we go back on our time frame and see where this level was. I was really looking at this level for a reversal point. And you guys can see price came literally to this level, right? Came a little bit past the level and started to reverse, which is not an issue, or started to pull back. But we already knew where we were kind of going. So for this one, Our first target was about 10 pips. I was hoping that it would come down to 30, but it didn't. So if you didn't take partials on that one, it hits your stop loss in profit. So that's very, very important. One of the things that we teach here on the platform. Ryan did take AUD USD trade, which this one definitely hit TP. We took the buy on this one, and guys, we were not looking at NGU because of consolidation. So yeah, that's pretty much what we were in for today, and we pretty much got all of our trades. So that's pretty much it, guys. And as Ryan was talking to you guys about, there's going to be some information coming out a little bit later on in regards to what we're promoting for 2023, what we got going on, the fact that some things are going to change, right? And we'll be able to, you know, help y'all take your trading to the next level. All right. To the next level. All right. I'm excited, guys. And, you know, tomorrow night, if y'all are available, you definitely want to hop on our, what you call it? I want to present something to y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, it's not gonna let me do what I need to do. So I need to share to different screens. So present, share, screen share. Hold on, y'all. Hold tight. Give me a second. Share. All right. This is our CTA platform, by the way. If you're not in here, you definitely want to get in here. But tomorrow night, guys, 9 p.m. Eastern. Please, please, please make sure you tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend that we are having our end of year prayer call. This is also a personal development call for everybody to really get their minds together before the year ends. So I want every last person on here to definitely take part. I feel like there's a word that you guys are going to receive on this call to help you transition into TTA, or transition into 2023. We're really going to be talking about procrastination. I don't know if any of y'all on the line have been struggling with that, have been dealing with that, but that's something that we're really, really going to be talking about going into this last Friday of the year, right? For some of y'all, whether it be trading, whether it be just getting your money together, whatever it is, you really don't have quite a lot of time to waste, right? We really don't have a lot of time to waste. So we need to get in alignment, right, for what we have going on into 2023. You don't have time to keep wasting time with trading. You don't have time to keep wasting time in your finances. You don't have time to keep wasting your talent as a person. You know, there's some things that you need to release before we transition into 2023. So for me, going into the next year, as Ryan stated, I also will not be mentoring on the level that I'm mentoring now, but for at least the first half of the year, you guys do have access to us. The training that you purchased before on our platform is available for life if you purchased it. Ryan and I are doing a crazy promo for January. Those flyers and stuff be coming out soon. All right, y'all. So we don't mean for these calls that we're going to be doing on YouTube to be that long. All right, we just want to show you guys what we did in the market. If you are on our live session this morning, please drop some fire emojis in the chat. You guys were all blue with us this morning and took some pips. Definitely go ahead and just give us some feedback on our session this morning.
Yeah, guys. I mean, everyone made money. It was so easy today in the market. And again, once you just have the skill and the clarity, it's easy to see, right? But it takes time. It takes chart time. It takes you studying and understanding what you're doing in the market, how to see the market, right? There's a lot of things that you have to do to become a profitable trader, not just on the technical side, but on the mental side, on the psychological side, right? So we're teaching all of that, guys, and that's why we're going to commit these last 6 months, guys, because after this, Max and Ryan are no more. We're not teaching. We're going to take a good 3 years off. I'm joking, but I'm just not doing live sessions anymore, guys. Like we're just not going to be teaching to the degree and level that and capacity that we are now. We're really trying to take a vested interest in helping you guys personally with the live sessions, with the trainings, with the one-on-ones, with everything that we have coming out for TTA in January. But all of that's going to slow down eventually. So we're just giving everyone a heads up that if this is something that you truly wanted to do and you really want to get consistent, now is the time more than ever to rock with us, and we definitely have everything readily available for you guys come January. So
All right, guys. See you tomorrow night. Love y'all.
See you guys. Don't forget to be on tomorrow night call. Where can they get the call info, Max?
The link is in the chat.
Okay. And then also can we post the Trade Authority Telegram? Let me see.
Yes, hold on, I got it.
So that people can join our Telegram. Okay, so if you guys need updates, just in case you guys are not following Max or myself, right, you can add yourself to the Telegram, right? Well, we'll have all the updates and announcements in the next few days for everybody. So appreciate you guys. Thank you for hopping on. We will see you tomorrow night for the call. Hopefully you guys can make it. Have a blessed day. See you tomorrow.
See you.
See you guys.